Jimmy is a great community servant. He's a great candidate. He's somebody that we really want to win this race. We can count on him to support our education of our children. And Jimmy represents the same exact communities that I represent, especially in Little Saigon. And it's really important to have a representative that's going to be out there in front working to advance education for our children in Orange County. Jimmy is the perfect candidate to do that. Actually, Jimmy came to visit one of our schools in Midway City. It's called Starview, and it's just undergone a $32 million renovation and modernization. And Jimmy was there because he is one of the traffic commissioners for the City of Westminster. And he came in his official capacity to see the great things that we're doing at the Ocean View School District and to serve the Little Saigon community and the whole entire community. The other thing is that part of the work that he does at the City of Westminster benefited our school district because we had to change the entire traffic pattern. Instead of coming in off of McFadden, now everybody comes in off of Newland. And Jimmy was part of making that great change.
If you got to compare himself and his opponent, which is the incumbent right now, how do you compare the two candidates?
Well, I happen to know his opponent because he has been in office for a while. I don't think he's been very productive in what he's been doing, and he's been completely unproductive in Sacramento. He's gotten absolutely nothing accomplished for our children. He is not pro-education, and we really want somebody in office that's for the children. I happen to be a teacher as well, and I know how important it is to have an assembly member that cares about children. And in fact, we have in the past invited the assembly member to come to different events, and unfortunately, he's never been able to talk to our constituency well, and I know that Jimmy can. Jimmy is very well educated. He's an attorney. He is so well spoken, and he's going to be able to represent the children better than anybody else. That is for sure.
Do you have any chance to study or understand the Vietnamese community around here? And what do you think about this community?
I have studied the community quite a bit, and I have a lot of understanding of what the Vietnamese community has gone through, how they've gotten to the United States, how people have become part of the fabric of our community, are truly living the American dream. I think more than many other communities, the Vietnamese community is so wonderful, so patriotic. And I think that Jimmy actually embodies what the Vietnamese community is truly about. Freedom, democracy, and caring about everybody, not just a select few. Jimmy cares about everyone, and I don't believe his opponent does.
Quốc ca Hoa Kỳ bắt đầu.